Hello, in this session we're going to talk about concatenation. An alternative to data combination is merging along axis or concatenation. The NumPy library has the function concatenate, which joins two arrays horizontally or vertically. Method concat is used for merging a series or DataFrame object. The following example illustrates concatenation for the series objects which have different index. So let's first minimize this a bit, go to Spider and import Pandas as pd, then x26 equal pd.series 0, 1 will be the values and the index will be equal to A and B. Let's copy and paste this and let's put it here x27, 2, 3, 4 here, C, D and E. Then let's put it here x28, let's put it here 5 and 6 and F and G. We would like to concatenate x26, x27 and x28 in the single object. So x29 equal pd.concat. The list should be x26, x27 and x28. Let's print all of these out. x26 equal new line x26. Let's print some dashes. Copy and paste this. Let's put it here x27, 28, 29 and here x27, 28 and 29. Execute this. So we can see that x29 will be a series which have indexes A, B, which are obtained from x26. Then another indexes will be C, D, E, which are obtained from x27. And the last indexes will be F and G, which are obtained from x28. We can see that they are vertically concatenated. The same result is in this part here. By default, concatenation is done along axis equal 0, so vertically. In case the argument for concat method is axis equal 1, the result will be a data frame. So let's do it. We would like to merge it. x26, x27 and x28 along axis equal 1. So x30 equal pd.concat x26, x27, x28 axis equal 1. Copy and paste this line. And let's put it here x30 and here x30. Execute this. We can see that the indexes are A, B, which are obtained from x26. However, we have columns 0, 1 and 2. The column 0 will be all the results from x26, so 0 and 1. Then we have indexes C, D and E. The result will be for the column 1, 2, 3 and 4, which are obtained from here. The other columns are not a number. And the last one, for the indexes F and G, we can see that indexes F and G are obtained from x28, and only in the column 3 the values are put 5 and 6. And for the columns 0 and 1, all the values are not a number. The same result is in this part here. That's it regarding concatenation in Pandas part 1. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next sessions.